Have you ever wondered if one simple kitchen ingredient could transform your senior health in ways you never imagined? Welcome to Daily Senior Health, where we bring you trusted insights to help you live stronger, longer, and better. Today, we are diving into a topic that has fascinated both scientists and seniors alike: the hidden power of baking soda. Yes, that humble white powder sitting in your pantry could become a powerful ally in your senior health journey. At Daily Senior Health, we are passionate about sharing practical, science-backed tips to support your well-being. From reducing inflammation and improving digestion to relieving joint pain and more, baking soda may just be the game changer your senior health routine has been missing. If you care about your senior health, this is the video for you. We will explore how baking soda impacts everything from your kidneys to your teeth, and even how it may support better exercise and sleep, all with a focus on senior health safety and effectiveness. Make sure to subscribe to Daily Senior Health and tap the bell so you never miss new videos tailored for better senior health. We post weekly content designed especially for seniors who want to thrive, not just survive. So if you are ready to take control of your senior health, sit back, relax, and let's explore how one common household item can unlock surprising benefits. And do not forget to subscribe to Daily Senior Health today and join thousands who are improving their senior health naturally. Did you know that more than 80% of baking soda users are unaware of its most potent secrets? That is correct. Millions of homes are silently ignoring the potential of this common kitchen ingredient, which costs only pennies per dose. Baking soda is regarded by many specialists as one of the most underappreciated medications in the world. Think about it. How many times have you grabbed baking soda to bake a cake or clean your refrigerator without considering its other powerful uses? What if I told you this simple white powder has a long history of surprising applications, some of which could completely change how you view health? What are we all missing? And why is it that so few people talk about baking soda's real power? Very few people understand the amazing health benefits of baking soda, and that is exactly what we will discuss in this video. I will also share the key safety tips and identify the specific individuals who should be careful when using it. If you care about your health and want to make smart decisions, you do not want to miss this. If you are new to Daily Senior Health, welcome. Before we dive into the health benefits of baking soda, take a moment to subscribe to Daily Senior Health so you never miss future videos that could help improve your well-being. Let's get started. One of the most talked about benefits of baking soda is detoxification. It is praised for its ability to assist the body's natural cleansing processes. When dissolved in water, baking soda becomes alkaline, helping to neutralize acids both inside and outside the body. Baking soda baths are often used to soothe mild rashes, calm itching, and relieve irritated skin. Soaking in a baking soda solution is believed to draw out impurities, leaving your body more balanced and your skin feeling refreshed. Though scientific evidence is limited regarding its skin detox effects, many people say they feel better and more relaxed afterward. Internally, some health enthusiasts suggest that mixing a small amount of baking soda with water can help the body eliminate waste more efficiently by making the blood and urine slightly more alkaline. There is some research to support this, especially for people with certain medical conditions. For example, sodium bicarbonate supplements may help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the blood. A study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology suggests that, under medical guidance, baking soda can enhance the body's natural detox abilities. Still, it is important to remember that the human body is already skilled at maintaining pH balance. Making major dietary changes can be difficult, and moderation is key. Too much baking soda can cause unwanted side effects. Used properly, though, baking soda is a gentle, affordable way to support your body's natural detox system and help you feel renewed. If you find this content helpful, make sure to subscribe to Daily Senior Health today and join our growing community dedicated to better health at any age. Next, it enhances teeth whitening and dental health. There is a reason baking soda is used in so many toothpastes and home remedies. When it comes to teeth whitening and dental wellness, it is a powerful tool. You have probably noticed how clean and smooth your teeth feel after brushing them with a little baking soda. This is because baking soda works as a mild abrasive to remove surface stains from tea, coffee, and other foods that can dull your smile. When applied correctly, baking soda's gentle texture helps polish teeth without seriously damaging them, unlike harsh whitening procedures. However, the benefits go beyond a brighter smile. Since baking soda is alkaline, it helps neutralize the acids in your mouth. This is important because acidic conditions promote the growth of harmful bacteria that lead to gum disease, cavities, and bad breath. By restoring your mouth's pH balance, baking soda supports healthier gums and fresher breath, creating an environment that is less favorable for bacteria. These claims are backed by scientific research. For example, research published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste containing baking soda was significantly more effective than non-baking soda toothpaste at whitening teeth and removing plaque. Another study showed that baking soda helps reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, thus improving oral health. Still, moderation is key. Using baking soda too frequently or brushing too hard may gradually wear down tooth enamel due to its abrasive quality. Dentists recommend using it just a few times per week and always with a soft bristled toothbrush. When used properly, baking soda offers a fast, low-cost, and easy method to achieve a cleaner, healthier, and whiter smile at home. Afterward, it relieves heartburn. Many people experience heartburn, a common and often frustrating issue, especially after eating rich or spicy foods. Acid reflux, caused by stomach acid flowing back into the esophagus, typically begins as a burning sensation in the upper abdomen and may rise to the throat. Pregnancy, excess weight, or medical conditions like eosinophilic esophagitis can increase the risk. Even though many over-the-counter antacids are available, baking soda provides a quick, simple solution. A traditional remedy is to mix a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of water and sip slowly. This works because the alkaline baking soda neutralizes excess stomach acid, offering nearly instant relief. According to a review in the journal Gastroenterology and Hepatology, it works well for quickly relieving sporadic heartburn. The procedure is easy to follow and understand. No need for costly treatments or a trip to the pharmacy. All you need to feel better is a glass of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a few minutes. One of the reasons baking soda is still a common home item is because of this simple fix. This common kitchen ingredient can make a big difference for anyone seeking immediate, dependable heartburn relief, allowing you to return to your day with ease and comfort. The antifungal qualities come next. A common annoyance, fungal infections can appear as itchy, red, or flaky patches on the skin. Fungi that thrive in moist environments are responsible for conditions like ringworm, athlete's foot, and other related issues, especially in warm and humid areas such as the feet. Although there are many over-the-counter creams and sprays available, baking soda is a straightforward and natural solution you may already have in your kitchen. Its ability to alter the environment required for fungal growth is what gives baking soda its powerful antifungal effects. When applied, baking soda creates an alkaline environment on the skin, weakening fungal cell walls and making it harder for the fungi to survive and grow. There is scientific evidence showing that this is more than just an old household remedy. According to a study published in the journal Mycopathologia, 80% of the fungal strains tested were inhibited by a solution containing 10 grams of baking soda per liter. This impressive result demonstrates the potential of baking soda as a natural antifungal treatment. A simple remedy for athlete's foot is to apply a paste made from baking soda and water directly to the affected areas, or to use it in a foot soak. After just a few sessions, many people experience less itching and discomfort. It is also a great choice for those wishing to avoid harsh chemicals, as it is non-toxic and gentle. This accessible and affordable treatment provides a practical option for those struggling with stubborn fungal infections, helping restore comfort and confidence in everyday life. Afterward, it might help relieve urinary tract infections. UTIs, especially common among women, can be painful and disruptive. Symptoms include a burning sensation during urination, frequent urges to urinate, and general discomfort. While antibiotics remain the primary treatment, some individuals turn to natural remedies for symptom relief and healing. Baking soda is one such option gaining attention. Its ability to neutralize acids forms the basis of its use in treating UTI symptoms. Adding a small amount of baking soda to water and drinking it can make urine less acidic. This shift in pH may help prevent the growth of bacteria responsible for UTIs and support the body's defense mechanisms. Also, less acidic urine may ease the painful burning that comes with UTIs. A study in the Japanese Journal of Urology followed 33 women with recurring UTIs who took sodium bicarbonate. After 4 weeks, many reported significantly reduced pain and discomfort while urinating. Although the results are promising, baking soda should never replace medical care in serious cases. Still, it may serve as a gentle, cost-effective complement for those seeking additional relief alongside standard treatment. However, keep in mind that severe or ongoing UTI symptoms necessitate immediate medical intervention. Baking soda can be a useful addition to your toolkit for controlling urinary comfort and health if used properly. Canker sores may then be treated. You can understand how upsetting these little mouth ulcers can be if you have ever felt the intense pain of a canker sore. The good news: baking soda could be the easy, low-cost solution you have been looking for. Aphthous ulcers, sometimes referred to as canker sores, are frequently brought on by stress, minor oral trauma, or even certain foods. They might cause discomfort when eating, drinking, or even talking. Because of its unique capacity to neutralize oral acids and establish a more balanced pH environment, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, performs wonders in this situation. This is important, since an acidic environment can increase irritation and slow healing. You can reduce inflammation, ease discomfort, and speed up the healing process by rinsing your mouth with a baking soda and water solution, usually made by mixing half a teaspoon in a glass of warm water. But science supports this, so do not just take my word for it. In patients with recurrent aphthous stomatitis, sodium bicarbonate mouthwashes dramatically decrease discomfort and accelerated healing. According to a study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association, the researchers found that the mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory qualities of baking soda help keep the sore clean and inhibit bacterial growth, both of which are crucial for recovery. Additionally, baking soda is gentle and less likely to worsen the condition compared to some over-the-counter treatments. Try a simple baking soda rinse the next time you feel a canker sore forming. It is a natural, scientifically supported method you can use right in your kitchen to ease pain and improve oral health. Next, baking soda improves exercise performance. Did you know that you can gain a notable fitness benefit from a simple kitchen staple? Yes, baking soda is used for more than just cleaning or baking. Athletes rely on it as a secret weapon to combat muscle fatigue and boost performance. Here is how it works. Your muscles release lactic acid during high-intensity exercise, which lowers pH and causes that burning sensation. This acidity is a primary reason for early fatigue, forcing you to stop before reaching your true potential. Sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, works as a natural buffer. When taken before a workout, it neutralizes excess acid in the muscles, helping you train harder and longer. This is not just fitness folklore. It has scientific backing. According to a meta-analysis of several studies published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research, sodium bicarbonate supplements significantly improve performance in short, high-intensity activities like sprinting, swimming, and cycling. The researchers found that athletes who took baking soda maintained peak performance longer and delayed the onset of fatigue. Typically, athletes mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water and drink it 60 to 90 minutes before training. It is important to start with small doses, as too much may cause nausea or bloating. Baking soda might be worth trying if you are seeking a natural, research-backed method to increase endurance and enhance your workouts. However, always consult a healthcare professional before adding it to your routine, especially if you have existing medical conditions. Try it out and see if it makes a difference in your next workout. Baking soda may then aid in enhancing renal function. Imagine if something as simple as baking soda could help nourish and protect your kidneys, especially if you have chronic kidney disease, also known as CKD. Metabolic acidosis is a condition that develops when the kidneys can no longer remove acid effectively from the blood, and it is common in many individuals living with CKD. This excess acid buildup can negatively affect overall health and speed up the progression of kidney disease. That is where sodium bicarbonate, commonly referred to as baking soda, becomes helpful. Acting as a natural antacid, baking soda works to reduce the acid levels in your bloodstream. By doing so, it may relieve the burden on your kidneys and possibly slow or even delay the progression of kidney problems. This is not just another home remedy with no basis. There is real science supporting it. A major study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology looked at patients with severe chronic kidney disease and metabolic acidosis. It revealed that kidney function declined at a much slower rate in those who took daily sodium bicarbonate supplements compared to those who did not. Furthermore, the same group showed a lower risk of progressing to end-stage kidney failure, as well as a decreased need for dialysis. The study also noted improvements in bicarbonate levels in the blood, an important measure of the body's acid-base balance. Of course, it is important to remember that baking soda is not a cure-all and should never be taken without a doctor's guidance. Too much baking soda, especially for people with heart or kidney conditions, can lead to side effects such as fluid retention or increased blood pressure. Always consult a healthcare provider before adding it to your daily routine. If you or someone you care about is dealing with CKD, this simple kitchen staple may offer a surprising benefit to kidney health when used responsibly. Now, let's talk about arthritis. Imagine using baking soda, something that might already be sitting in your cabinet, to ease the pain and stiffness of arthritis. Rheumatoid arthritis, in particular, is marked by chronic inflammation, joint swelling, and daily discomfort that can make even basic tasks difficult. While most people rely on medication and physical therapy, new research points to baking soda as a natural and practical support. A 2018 study published in the Journal of Immunology showed that drinking a baking soda solution daily may help regulate immune response. The findings suggest that baking soda supports the body's natural anti-inflammatory processes and helps reduce harmful autoimmune activity linked to arthritis. Participants in the study experienced lower inflammatory markers and more balanced immune cell behavior. This means that baking soda could play a role in reducing joint pain and swelling in people with arthritis. If you find this information helpful, remember to subscribe to Daily Senior Health, where we explore simple, science-backed ways to support aging well. Sometimes, the most powerful tools for relief are already in your home. A particularly excruciating type of arthritis, gout typically affects the big toe or other joints and is characterized by abrupt, severe pain, redness, and swelling. The underlying reason is an accumulation of uric acid in the blood, which causes inflammation and sharp crystals to form in the joints. Finding strategies to reduce uric acid levels and alleviate the ensuing pain is frequently necessary for managing gout. This is where sodium bicarbonate, or baking soda, can be used as a home treatment that works remarkably well. Because baking soda is alkaline, it can counteract too much uric acid in the blood, reducing the likelihood of those uncomfortable crystals forming. Baking soda can lessen the frequency and intensity of gout attacks by assisting in the restoration of a more balanced pH. Alkalinizing agents, such as sodium bicarbonate, can actually aid in the dissolution of uric acid crystals and encourage their elimination through urine, providing relief from acute gout symptoms. According to a study published in the journal Arthritis and Rheumatism, during a flare-up, many people find that consuming a glass of water with half a teaspoon of baking soda helps reduce discomfort. In addition to relieving pain, baking soda may also lessen joint inflammation, which can facilitate easier and less painful mobility. Baking soda can be a useful addition to your gout management toolkit, but it is crucial to keep in mind that you should always use it under a doctor's supervision. This guarantees that you receive the benefits without risking any complications. Therefore, baking soda may be the easy remedy you need straight from your kitchen cabinet if you are searching for a natural, scientifically supported method to control the symptoms of gout. Afterward, it helps reduce the symptoms of the flu and cold. It is simple to feel overwhelmed by symptoms like a scratchy throat, stuffy nose, and persistent congestion when cold and flu season arrives. However, did you know that baking soda, a straightforward and affordable basic, can be a potent ally in your battle against these common illnesses? Baking soda's natural alkaline properties can aid in breaking down thick mucus, facilitating better nasal passage clearance and improved breathing. This is especially helpful if you are dealing with a constantly runny or blocked nose. Gargling with baking soda is one of the best ways to treat colds and the flu. A soothing remedy can be made by mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda into a glass of warm water. This helps ease a sore, inflamed throat. In addition to relieving discomfort, gargling with this mixture can reduce bacteria and germs in your throat and mouth, making it more difficult for viruses to spread. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that frequent gargling with baking soda significantly reduces throat discomfort and microbial load, supporting faster recovery from respiratory infections. To improve relief from congestion, baking soda can also be added to saline nasal rinses. It supports your body's natural defenses and speeds up healing by neutralizing acids and thinning mucus. So next time you feel under the weather, reach for this simple kitchen remedy. And if you find value in practical tips like this, don't forget to subscribe to Daily Senior Health for more helpful guidance designed to support your everyday wellness. Sometimes, the best healing really does begin at home. It may then improve cancer therapies. Although it may seem unlikely, the scientific community is becoming more interested in the possibility that baking soda could help treat cancer. Acidic environments are known to stimulate the proliferation of cancer cells and can also increase their resistance to certain treatments. Because of its inherent alkalizing qualities, baking soda has been researched for its ability to change the pH surrounding tumor cells, which would reduce the conditions that allow cancer to spread. The journal Cancer Research released one of the most fascinating studies on this subject in 2009. Researchers discovered that injecting mice with metastatic breast cancer with sodium bicarbonate considerably decreased the tumor's acidity. This change in pH inhibited the cancer's spread and increased the tumor cell's sensitivity to chemotherapy. The results imply that baking soda may improve the efficacy of traditional cancer treatments by counteracting the acidic microenvironment. In order to enhance patient outcomes, researchers are currently investigating whether antacids such as baking soda can be used safely in conjunction with chemotherapy or other treatments. It is crucial to stress that this research is still in its early phases. Although the outcomes in animal models are encouraging, additional human clinical trials are required before baking soda can be suggested as a component of a typical cancer therapy regimen. Baking soda should be viewed as a possible tool that could eventually supplement current medicines, rather than as a miracle cure. Always get advice from your medical team before trying any new supplements or treatments, especially if you or a loved one is receiving cancer therapy. Last but not least, consider baking soda as a natural deodorant. It may be just what you have been looking for if you want a quick, all-natural way to stay fresh all day. Baking soda is a simple, efficient alternative that comes from your kitchen. Unlike many commercial deodorants that include chemicals and synthetic fragrances, Its secret is its ability to both absorb excess moisture and neutralize the acidic substances in perspiration that contribute to body odor. This keeps you odor-free, even on your busiest days, by creating an environment where odor-causing bacteria struggle to thrive. The effectiveness of baking soda as a natural deodorant is supported by science. When applied topically, sodium bicarbonate significantly reduced underarm odor, according to a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology. The alkaline properties of baking soda help neutralize the acids produced by bacteria and sweat, efficiently reducing offensive smells. Baking soda is also a fantastic choice for people with sensitive skin or anyone who wants to avoid harsh chemicals. It is free from parabens, aluminum, and artificial fragrances. You can use it alone or mix it with a little coconut oil. Just sprinkle a small amount under your arms for freshness throughout the day. Even in hot weather or during exercise, many find that it keeps them feeling clean and dry. Baking soda remains a popular choice for those seeking a natural and eco-friendly personal care option. If you're enjoying these practical tips, make sure to subscribe to Daily Senior Health for more simple ways to support your wellness every day. While most people tolerate baking soda well, some should exercise caution. In higher doses or with frequent use, especially internally, it may not be suitable for everyone. For instance, people with kidney problems must exercise extra caution due to the sodium content of baking soda. People with impaired kidney function may find it difficult to flush out excess sodium from their bodies, which can result in fluid retention and other issues. High blood pressure sufferers should also exercise caution. Baking soda is dangerous for people who are already treating hypertension, since its sodium concentration can raise blood pressure levels. Similarly, because baking soda can change stomach pH, it may exacerbate gastrointestinal illnesses, including gastritis, ulcers, or acid reflux. Anyone with these conditions should speak with a healthcare provider before using it. Another group who should use baking soda with caution includes women who are pregnant or breastfeeding. The electrolyte balance of the body can be upset by excessive consumption, which could affect both the mother and the unborn child. Additionally, it's advisable to start with a small dose of baking soda, because people with known allergies or sensitivities may experience skin irritation or digestive problems. Lastly, baking soda powder can aggravate respiratory conditions by irritating the airways. Therefore, people with respiratory disorders should avoid breathing it in. Moderation and appropriate direction are crucial in any situation. Before incorporating baking soda into your daily health regimen, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you fit into any of these categories or have underlying medical issues. Baking soda is much more than simply a basic household ingredient. As you can see, it is a powerful and adaptable tool that can support your health in a number of unexpected ways. Its benefits, from treating gout and relieving sore throats to enhancing exercise performance, are backed by both science and tradition. However, it's important to remember to use baking soda sparingly and responsibly. Always seek medical advice if you have concerns. Health is personal, and what works well for one individual may not be right for another. Do you have any personal advice to share? Or have you ever tried using baking soda for any of these remedies? Drop your stories or questions in the comment section below. We love hearing from you. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like the video, and please take a moment to subscribe to Daily Senior Health and tap the notification bell so you never miss practical, safe, and inspiring health tips tailored for you and your loved ones. Your support helps us continue to grow a community where senior health is celebrated and prioritized every day. We truly appreciate your presence here. To keep learning and improving your health naturally, we've picked 2 videos just for you. Click on one, and we'll meet you there with more insight and support. Until then, stay healthy, stay strong, and remember, sometimes the most powerful remedies are already in your kitchen.